Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm going to be making a drink, something that we all need, especially how the flu season is upon us. Ginger lemonade. Watch me do it. Okay, now I'm just going to blend up this lemon with the skin and the seeds. Everything is still intact, along with a couple pieces of ginger. Freshly peeled ginger. Now I didn't leave the skin on the ginger because I didn't want the lemonade to be brown. I wanted it to be yellow, so I left the skins on the lemon. Now I'm just gonna put this in and allow it to blend up together. I'm trying to get this on. I'm trying to hold the camera as well as I got it. Steady this. Okay, let me put some water in first. Add some fresh water. Okay, that should do it. So this is just the ginger and one lemon. Now if you want to use two lemons, go ahead and use them, but I'm just adding one in this. And if you don't have a magic bullet, a blender is fine. Look at that nice color. That's what you want your lemonade to look like. That's the skin. The skin would do it. So that's ready. If I can just get this off. Okay, I did it. That's what you're looking for. Seed, skin, everything was intact. Now I'm just going to strain it out, so that we won't have any seeds or big pieces of skin in our lemonade, or even the pieces of ginger. You don't want those in because they would cause your throat to tickle and cause you to begin coughing. You just don't feel good going down. So I'm just draining out all of this goodness from the lemon and the ginger. Now of course some of the thickness is going to go inside, but that's okay as long as the seeds and what have you won't pass through or are not able to pass through. So this is what we want. This is loaded with vitamin C and goodness. This is the flu season. And with this foolishness going on around now, this virus, man, you need to keep your immune system all the way up. This would help you out. Lemonade. Now to that, I'm adding some nice cold water. Cold water. Look at the color. This is beautiful. Now here I'm adding my sweetener. I'm using plain old white sugar, about a cup. You can use whatever type of sweetener that you use or you'd like. Now you can use honey as well, but you have to remember honey is going to alter the taste. So if you use the taste of honey in your drinks, feel free to use honey. You can use your Splendor or Equal, whatever you use, agave, whatever. I want my lemonade to be nice and yellow and white, so I just use a little bit of sugar. Now that's all stir up, adding some ice cubes. Alright, I just love to add ice to my drinks, even though this is already cool because I used cold water. There you have it. Isn't that beautiful? And I just added a few pieces of lemon in as well. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Leave a comment, share it out. Please check the description box for all of the ingredients that I've used. They will be there. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Watch the ads now.